Hello, amazing book lovers. Welcome to Mr. Incredible Book, your new favorite destination for everything literary. Book sparkles here, we dive deep into in-depth reviews of bestsellers, hidden gems, and timeless classics. Captivating summaries and critical analyses that bring stories to life. Discussions on genres ranging from fantasy and sci-fi to philosophy and historical fiction. And so much more. If you're passionate about reading, exploring new worlds through pages, or just looking for your next great book recommendation, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an adventure. Remember, books are not just stories, they're journeys waiting to be explored. Thank you for stopping by. See you in the next video. The world after that day was never the same again. Walls of the asylum even higher. But love transcends the boundaries of death. The love for those who left gives people the strength to stand against oppression and never surrender. It is this love that reminds us, they were not just a number or a name on a passenger list, they were lives full of hope, dreams, and love, and this is something no missile can destroy. In the end, the story of the Asylum of the Abandoned is not just the tale of a disaster, It is the narrative of humanity's struggle against injustice. It is the story of those who want to build a world where such tragedies are not repeated. Perhaps the asylum will never be completely destroyed, but amidst its ruins, flowers of hope always bloom. Flowers watered by the memory of loved ones and grown with love. I hope you enjoyed our journey through the pages today. Until the next video. Read the book your heart desires, and discover the world that awaits you. Thank you for being part of the Mr. Incredible Book family. Stay inspired with more beautiful stories. Open Book Sparkles, goodbye.